Hello again. I am Ali.
And I am Lina. Welcome back to EngAI Talk.
In video 1, we learned how to say our names. If you missed it, go watch it now.
Today, we are learning a very common question. When you meet someone, you want to know, where are they from?
Exactly. It's how we start a real conversation.
Before we start, please click the subscribe button if you want to travel the world with English.
And hit the like button too. Let's get started. Ali, imagine we are at a cafe. I want to know your country. What do I ask?
You ask, where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yes, it is simple. Sometimes people ask, where do you come from?
Where do you come from? That is also correct, but where are you from is more common and easier for beginners.
I agree. Let's keep it easy.
Okay, listeners, it's time to practice this question. Repeat after me. Speak clearly. Where are you from?
Again, slowly. Where are you from?
One more time. Natural speed. Where are you from?
Great. Now you know how to ask.
Now, how do we answer?
I say, I am from Morocco.
Wait, Lina. I hear many students say, I from Morocco. Is that okay?
No, Ali, that is a big mistake. You must say am or
Right. I am from or I'm from.
Let's practice with different countries. Ali, you choose a country.
Okay. I'm from Egypt.
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from the USA.
Did you hear that? Ali said the USA. Some countries need the, like the UK or the USA, but most don't.
English grammar is funny, but don't worry, friends. Just practice. Your turn. Repeat after us. I'm from Morocco.
I am from France.
I'm from Spain.
Excellent. You are doing great.
Sometimes we want to be more specific. We want to talk about our city.
Yes, I can say, I am from Morocco, but I live in Marrakesh.
I live in. That is a great phrase.
Ali, where do you live?
I live in Casablanca. It is a very busy city.
Yes, it is. So, I am from is for your country. I live in is for your city.
Perfect. Let's practice.
Repeat slowly. I live in London.
I live in New York.
I live in Tokyo.
Wonderful. Now you can talk about your country and your city.
That was video 2. You are making great progress.
Yes, now you can say your name and tell us where you are from.
Here is your homework for today. Tell us in the comments, where are you from and which city do you live in?
For example, I am from Mexico and I live in Mexico City. We want to see how many countries are watching.
In the next video, we will talk about jobs. What do you do for work?
Don't miss video 3. Thank you for watching EngAI Talk.
See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Lina, I think I want to live in Tokyo now.
Maybe next year, Ali.